tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn. This is so true. If you want to teach your child to learn English, you should involve them in house chores and other activities. Engaging them make them curious and learn easily. So today I wanted to show you how you can teach them cooking. You can teach small phrases, vocabulary and much more, because I believe kitchen is the best place of learning. In this session, we are going to show them how to make a recipe. First, we will introduce the ingredients and then the utensils. So let's start with our recipe. Easy cooking. Let's learn how to make a pancake. First, we will take 100 grams of plain flour, 2 eggs, 300 ml milk, 2 tablespoons butter, pinch of salt. We need bowl, spoon, sieve, pan, plate and whisker. First we will take a bowl and sieve our flour slowly. Here they will learn cooking needs patience. Crack the eggs and add to a bowl. Now add milk and whisk. If you want, you can add little bit of cream and whisk. Whisk, whisk. Now we will add flour in small batches, one by one, and we will mix flour in milk and egg. Little by little, we'll add sugar and we'll make a thick batter. We will mix all the ingredients very well. And our batter is ready. Now add a butter in pan and pour the mixture into the pan. We are pouring mixture into the pan to make a pancake. Now cook until brown from one side and then flip and cook from the other side. Cook till it gets brown from the other side and take it out and serve in a plate, adding toppings of your choice. Yummy pancake is ready to eat. It's so yummy. But don't forget to clean the kitchen countertop. Clean it, wipe it thoroughly. Now wash and clean all the dishes that we have taken for cooking. Wash them and keep them in their place. And now enjoy your pancake with honey and topping of your choice.